Okay, in this video, we wanted to go through the best leads for carpet cleaning companies. So we're going to go through a couple different options if you're trying to get carpet cleaning leads. So the best lead sources, we're going to go over free leads, buying leads, and the best leads that make you the most money. So a couple of different things to think about if you're a carpet cleaning business needing more leads, or you expand into other ones, tile cleaning or different things like that. So the easiest one, this is for large businesses or small. The free leads, you can be in directories, you can be in Yelp, you can be in Google My Business or Google Business Profile. It's pretty much Google Maps is they keep changing the name, but that's what it's called. Just be on Google Maps and social media. It's also the other ones specific to home services, Angie, Home Advisor, Nextdoor, Thumbtack. You can do all the free profiles. They also have options to upgrade or buy leads from them. We'll get into that on the next slide, but at least doing the free ones, being on all the directories, uploading the pictures, fill out the About Us, do as much content as you possibly can so your listing stands out from your competitors. So Google Maps is a really easy one. You can collect reviews, start showing up. Local SEO is a whole different topic, but just being on Google Maps and having those reviews will make a big difference for your carpet cleaning business. With social media, you can be active on Facebook, make a Facebook page, even YouTube, some different options, just posting on there. Don't join the groups and post everywhere and sell to people, but just answering people's questions. Or on Nextdoor or Facebook, if people are asking for a recommendation, you can put your contact information there. The next option would be buying leads. Now, these have worked for some people. It kind of depends on where you're buying the leads from. A couple of things to keep in mind. Some of the pros, it can be low budget friendly and you always pay the same cost per lead and you get guaranteed leads. You just want to make sure you're closely monitoring the quality of these leads. If you have a home service CRM or something like that, or call tracking, or just manually do it in Excel or take notes of what kind of phone calls you're getting from buying leads for carpet cleaners, if they're actually turning into jobs, or if it's people just price shopping, they're not turning into more jobs booked, more clients, more business. Just keep an eye on those when you're buying leads. A couple of cons. The lead quality is usually low, especially Angie and some of the other ones, or eLocal, a lot of different options for buying. You just watch the lead quality very closely. The leads aren't pre-qualified. That's one big difference. If you get a live transfer or just contact information or something like that, they don't know who you are. So you're just blindly pitching them. A lot of times they'll just go with the lowest price, whereas something else, they may have seen your website or referral. They know who you are, so they can they're pre-qualified. It's easier to close them for more carpet cleaning jobs. Also, a lot of these paid leads, they have long-term contracts, so you want to avoid the ones that do that. So you can test, maybe just buy a certain amount of leads, test them for a month. Also, thing to watch out for, make sure they're exclusive leads for carpet cleaning companies. Some companies, they sell the leads to multiple companies, so you're bidding against other carpet cleaners, and that's where you end up just going with the lowest bid, unfortunately. The people that hire you, you have to lower your prices. It's not the best long-term goal. Maybe in the beginning, you're trying to get some reviews, get some referrals, but wouldn't recommend that long term. Also, a con would be it is the same cost per lead forever. There's really no optimizing like with SEO or ads or something to where you're trying to get your cost per lead lower and lower. You're just going to pay the exact same price for lead forever, or they raise the prices and you pay more per lead. You're not really, nothing you can do to get cheaper leads. So you have to lower your prices to get the jobs. That's just be cautious when buying leads. Sometimes they're a little too good to be true. So the best way to get leads for carpet cleaning businesses, we recommend Google search ads. And there's a couple of huge bonuses for getting more jobs booked for carpet cleaners when using Google search ads specifically. So with Google Ads for carpet cleaning businesses, some of the pros are the lead quality is much higher. When you're trying to get leads for carpet cleaning, you want to make sure they're actually worth your time. You don't want to waste time giving out quotes and nobody's hiring. So that's mainly because the leads are pre-qualified. They went on google.com and they searched carpet cleaning near me, or I need my carpet cleaned, or carpet cleaning quote in, and then they type the city or zip code or something like that. They see your ad up at the top, they click on your ad, they look at your website, and then they contact you. So they're already heavily qualified. They know who you are. They saw your ad and they went to your website. They read your reviews, looked at all the different information, and then they called you or they filled out a form. And we highly recommend, if you can, put the software on there. A lot of them have these where they can book an appointment online. This is huge. Then they don't even talk to you at all. You're just filling up your entire schedule with more carpet cleaning jobs without having to talk to people. People can book online from your website. There's plenty of software that does this. A lot of the home services CRMs have this built in. It's a great option. Also, there's short-term contracts for Google Ads for carpet cleaners. You don't have to do, a year or anything like that. You just pay per click. So whatever budget you want to put in there, $500, $2,000, you test it and it deducts it as you start getting clicks. It's just pay per click. So if you want to suddenly turn it off, that's fine. There actually isn't a contract. You just pay every time there's clicks. So if you're finding this content useful, go ahead and like and subscribe to get more great content like this. Or if you decided you don't really want to learn how to do this yourself anymore, click on the description link below. We'll run everything for you. We'll even do a free audit, free consultation, so you can see exactly what we would do if we took over management of your account. That way you can focus on running your business rather than learning how to run ads all day. They are exclusive direct leads, so you get their contact information. You can ask for a review, ask for a referral, send out a newsletter. They're your leads permanently because they clicked on the ad and they went to your website. So this is going to help grow your carpet cleaning business substantially in the long term. You can get these leads for lower over time and you can get a lot more referrals. That's what I was referencing. When you buy leads, you just pay whatever the cost per lead is, where on Google Ads, you can test different ads, you can put a coupon in there, you can test going to a different page, you can adjust the landing page. Over time, you're trying to pick the right keywords for your carpet cleaning business to get the leads lower over time and more profitable. Speaking of that, you can also choose your keywords and block bad keywords. If you have it connected to a CRM, which we highly recommend, and call tracking, you can see what are the good keywords, what are the bad keywords. You can block them out. No other service has something like this. If you're doing Angie, eLocal, all these other ones, it's just a rush of carpet cleaning. It doesn't really specify. And if you start getting the wrong leads or the wrong area, you're not able to block a specific keyword. Google search has so much more control than any other service. It also helps you for carpet cleaning. You can split it out into all different groups. If you want to target more rugs or upholstery, remove pet stains, tile cleaning, wood cleaning. If you go into other services like air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, or if you do water damage restoration on top of the carpet cleaning leads, you can separate all those into different campaigns and separate the budget. If you do want maybe more tile cleaning, you're trying to get more of that, you can separate commercial and residential, put separate budgets on that, bid for separate keywords if you want more commercial carpet cleaning leads or something like that, or flooring or tile, wood floor. All the specific things, you can put those keywords and show at the top of Google, which is extremely valuable and extremely profitable long term. So some of the cons to Google search ads, it does take a larger budget to get started. You can't put $100 in a Google Ads account. It just won't work. It's expensive cost per click, so you have to have the money to test it. It's very complicated to run yourself. You typically need to hire it out or spend a lot of hours learning how to do it and spend a lot of time in the account optimizing it. It's not really an autopilot set and forget it. You need to go in there every day and check on things, adjust your keywords, rewrite your ad. But it does get better over time. And the reason I listed that as a con is because it's not an instant thing. You have to give it time to optimize. The pricing can vary depending on your area. It's more expensive because it is a bidding system. The more people bidding on those keywords in your area, the higher cost per click. And it does need a website or a landing page. So you will need to have that so the ads have somewhere to go. But with Google Ads, if you're trying to get more carpet cleaning leads, this is the best long-term play. We've seen it's a lot more profitable for clients when we manage all different sources. Google search ads is the most profitable for carpet cleaning leads. So if you want more information on that, click on the link in the description below. Be happy to take a look at your existing Google Ads account if it's not as profitable as you want, or give you a free consultation if you want to test out some Google Ads. So we hope this video helps you go grow your carpet cleaning business. Any questions, just post them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.